I'm Dr. Kathy Sinclair with Contemporary Product Solutions, and today we're going to be demonstrating Voco's Pro Fluoride Varnish. It's a 5% sodium fluoride varnish that comes in 4 flavors, and today we're going to be using the caramel one, which is the one that most patients seem to prefer. So the first thing we need to make sure of is that the teeth are free of any excess saliva and debris. So I'm just taking a 2x2 here, and I'm just going to run that along the facial and lingual surfaces of the teeth. Next, I'll actually open the dispensing packet. And the great thing about Voco's packet is that it comes with the applicator already inside, which will be removed like so. We'll then mix the varnish. And again, the great thing about this varnish is that it goes on clear, so the patient won't have any unsightly white spots as they're leaving your office. And like I said before, I'm just going to do a really thin coat on the facial and lingual surfaces of the teeth. And this stuff is great, especially for a lot of your elderly patients who suffer from dry mouth that are more susceptible to root caries, since most adult patients don't feel like they need fluoride treatment. You can also use this product, if you'd like, around crown margins of your temporaries so your patient suffers less sensitivity. There we go. And if you just want to swish around a little bit. And the great thing about the fluoride varnish is that it activates with the patient's saliva, so there's no systemic ingestion of this. So how's that taste?
Very good.
Excellent. Now you're going to keep that on your teeth for the next, say, 30 minutes to 2 hours, and you can actually eat or drink anything right after this. So unlike previous fluoride rinses, you can actually have something to eat. The great thing about this is for children, it won't be ingested systemically, so it's safe for them as well. So on behalf of Voco, and for more information, you can visit their website at www.vocoamerica.com for more information on fluoride varnish or other products that the Voco family carries.